What's up, everybody? In this tutorial I will show you how to download or install Age of Empires 2 on your computer. We have two ways. First is by using Steam. Go to your Steam account and under search bar just kindly click on type in Age of Empires 2, as you can see here. And once you're in, you can just add to cart basically, and then you can uh, click purchase for myself if you want it for yourself, or you can purchase it as a gift if you want to send it to your friend or whatever. And then you'll just fill in the account information to be able to purchase it. Another thing that you can do is by going to Microsoft Store and type in the same Age of Empires 2, and then it will show up this and the price and everything, and then you can play with Game Pass if you want a limited edition, or you can buy for yourself, like so. That's it.